My friend Rich is coming to town next week. Have you ever met him? No, I haven't. He's kind of crazy, but a great guy. Yeah, why do you say so? What's he like? He's really hardworking, but very much a loner. He's pretty talented and can do just about anything. Sounds interesting. Is he married? No, he isn't. What does he look like? Maybe my friend Alice would be interested in meeting him. He's tall, slim, and quite good looking. I'm sure your friend would find him attractive. What's she like? She is outgoing and very athletic. Really? What sports does she like playing? She is a great tennis player and also goes bicycling a lot. What does she look like? She is kind of exotic looking. She got long dark hair and piercing black eyes. People think she's rather beautiful. Do you think she would like to meet Rich? Sure, why don't we hook them up? Great idea.